Everybody, I've never showed you what I do when I fix up my pipes, so I figured I should do that today. I just picked up a new pipe today. It is a Croydon Grera. That's the bowl there, and the stem is in pretty rough shape. See, all nice and oxidized and everything like that. So what I'm going to do today is, and in case you haven't noticed, we're in my little workshop, aka the storage closet in my apartment. So I'm going to try out just using the soft plastic bristles first, and then I'll try the white diamond polishing compound on the stem. See if I can get some of that oxidization off. Looks pretty nasty. And then I'll polish both the stem and the bowl up with some carnauba wax. And yeah, I'll give little updates along the way. So hope you enjoy. Safety first. Okay, so here we have it. It's all nice and pretty now. There we go. Stem still needs a bit of work. Can you see that? It's a little brown still. So, yeah, here you go. A little brown still. But, usually what I do is I let it sit overnight in a bit of rubbing alcohol, and that usually gets most of the brown out of it. And then, if that doesn't work, I usually go down to some fine grit sandpaper and then start the process all over again as if I was making a new stem. So yeah, hope you enjoy. This pipe looks pretty neat, so hopefully it'll turn out even better. See ya. I should take these off. So after being a little unsatisfied with the results of the first time I did the stem, I decided to use a little muscle to get what I need. For all those Elton John fans out there. Just used a bit of baking soda and water to polish it up a bit. This is useless in here. But anyway. Looks a little better there. So I'm going to give it another go over with the white diamond, and then give it a polish with the wax. And what I did, I found the felt wheel, as people were saying, it's too hard, and it was leaving these little burn marks on here, which I don't really like. So what I did is I made my own little buff out of an old t-shirt. It's just a whole bunch of squares and then stuck on the mandrel there, so I'll use that to buff it up with the Carnauba wax. So I'm going to use the cotton on for the white diamond, and then the homemade cotton buffer for the wax. So let's give this a shot. Safety again. And this is the final result, and it looks amazing. Nice and black. Hardly any brown left to it at all, which is excellent. I'm pleasantly surprised by the effectiveness of my little buffer wheel, I guess you could call it. Probably one of those things that you have to replace. I'll have to replace every so often, and I'm covered in little cotton bits now. Maybe I should wear a dust mask. I don't know. But here, I'll show you the pipe all together now. There it is. My new Croydon. Nice and pretty. All nice and shiny. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave some tips and tricks to those of you that are trying to figure out how to do this yourself. I've been doing different methods for about a year now, and I think I found my new favorite method. So, hope everybody can give it a try at least once. See ya.